Avanti, you can start.
Hi, my name is Avanti Deshpande. I'm a clinical nutritionist by profession. When I decided to take up the level 1 course in cognitive hypnotic coaching, my idea was to help clients who require gut healing and also eating disorders. The overall experience was very good because they give us hands-on experience of how to exactly practice it first with yourself, as well as it will help you with the clients as well. So there was a good hands-on experience. And take away from the courses, now I learned that I can even extend this practice not just to my clients who are having gut health issues, but overall practice. And I'm going to practice as a behavior coach. Thank you so much, Ms. Ba. Thank you, ICHARS.
Great, thank you. Who's going next? Then I'll pin the screen. Who is going next, people? I'm waiting.
अभी हम नहीं दिखेंगे ना, बंद कर दूं मेरा स्क्रीन?
नहीं, आप दिखोगे ऊपर उसमें दिखोगे।
दिखेंगे
जी जी। I am Joseph pinning the screen. Okay, I'll give you a thumbs up, then you can start.
Hi, my name is Joseph. I'm working in Dubai. I'm working as a design engineer. I signed up for ICHRS to learn level 1 in hypnosis. So from this course, from the past 6 days, that is the weekend batch I have taken. So I started understanding and learning about hypnosis and its depth. Like hypnosis has different levels of depth, progressive from hypnotical and capillary and symbolistic, and also about the rapid eye movement, deepening techniques is also about the self-hypnosis and emotional state, cognitive hypnotic coaching, and meeting deadlines while doing that, when then statements and other things. And also the anchoring technique, which was very good for me. It works with the emotions, associating triggers and desired emotional states. Thank you for ICHRS and MISPA for conducting this course. And I encourage them to continue with this course with so many other students which would be helpful for everyone. Thanks.
Thank you. Who's going next? Arushi, Krishnanji, Vijay, who's going next?
I can go.
वैसे मेरा तो L1 का वो हुआ पहले भी.
Krishnanji, you're going?
L1 का दिया हुआ.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll pin the screen. No problem, Vijay. You can start.
Hi, I'm Krishnan Subramaniam. I am an HR professional. Overall, my experience with ICHARS over the 6 weekends has been extremely interesting and extremely engaging. I would say this is one of the life-changing courses for me. Over the 6 weekends, I have learned that there are 4 different levels of hypnosis. I also was introduced to the when-then framework to restructure the thoughts, the anchoring mechanism to restructure and pin down and change emotions, the very powerful soft C framework, which actually forces a person to get down into the nitty-gritties in terms of what changes he or she wishes to see in the future, and which also gets imprinted in oneself using the hypnotic process. Most importantly, this over the 6 weekends, what makes this workshop unique is a good practice of hands-on practice on how to practice these concepts on not only on yourself but also on the others. I wish ICHARS the very best, and I would definitely recommend this course to a few of my colleagues. Thank you, Ms. Ba. Have a great day ahead.
Thank you. Who's going next?
I can go.
All right. I think you're the only one. Come on.
Yeah, I think so. I'm the only one. So, yeah. So my name is Arushi Shahi, and I am working as a youth care counselor here in Vancouver. And I joined this course to learn new techniques, which would help me in future with my clients, especially in the terms of coaching. And this course has helped me a lot because I did coaching in my curriculum as my master's curriculum, but it was not in this intense flow. And I guess the soft C model, it's very detailed and very helpful. So I would enjoy doing it with my clients as well, and it will help them to go into deeper level and think about things in a different way. It gives a fresh perspective, I guess. So yeah, this course was very helpful, and especially for my professional career, I would be using a lot of techniques which I learned in this level 1 with my clients as well, and I'll take their feedback as well. I hope they like them.
All right. Thank you. All done?
Yeah.